If you want to enable theft protection on POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and we're gonna go to security and privacy. Now in here you should be able to find device unlock, and then over here we can go to theft protection. And over here we can find, for example, identity check. We have the theft detection lock, offline device lock, remote lock, and the Find Hub or Find My Device, which can be enabled or disabled over here. And also find your offline devices, which in my case is updating, so I cannot show you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There is also a chance that you will not have security and privacy over here. So if that's the case on your phone, then what you might need to do is you might need to go to settings, and then over here you will see privacy protection instead of security and privacy. So you might want to go to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock instead. And then we're gonna go to privacy, and then in here if you scroll down we have more security settings, and then here we have theft protection. So either way, one or the other method should work. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.